everyone, I am Ishan from class 4th Unity International School. Today I am here to give you a speech on study motivation. We all have heard the sound of clock. There are two fixed points in life, birth and death. The time between these both, it's only thing under your control. We have heard many more times that when a person gets any bad news, they find out. They've got any dangerous disease, they've got a few months to live, they go. While living in a far country, giving time to the people, spending time on the things that really matters to them. So why is it that we wait for such a massive moment? For us to take massive action. If you can change everything today, right now. I don't care how good you are. I don't care how talented you are. I don't care how much you work on yourself. You have to prove that what you are. And the way which only you can prove yourself is success. Do you know what makes someone successful? Do you? Three things will make you successful. First, a continuous interest in improving yourself. Second, being self-aware. Third, work. And I mean a lot of it, improve yourself. Improve yourself continuously. Never stop developing yourself. Develop a passion for yourself. Develop a passion for learning. Improving yourself starts with education. Improving yourself starts with school. You didn't come to school to slack off. You didn't come to fail. Instead, you come to learn. To learn how to be great. To be the best leader. To be the best at whatever you want. Do not let a friend remind you. Do not let friends distract you. Develop yourself. Show them that you are better. Show them that you are different. You can achieve your goal and you can become whatever you desire to become. But for this, you have to study and never ever give up. Giving up is not an option. If you can dream it, you can do it. Start studying now. Best of luck.